If you've always struggled putting your eyeshadow on or kind of wondered if you were doing it right, check this out. This is the Blend by Numbers 3-in-1 kit by Trio Beauty. Inside the kit, you have everything you need to create 3 different looks. Each brush has a number from 1 to 3, which corresponds to the number that you're going to use on the eyeshadow palette. In this case, number 1 is the lightest color. So let's go ahead and try this. I'm going to follow the directions and do exactly what it says for the smoky eye. Brush number 2 is going to go in color number 2. And while I'm doing this in the background, let me just tell you that this video is not sponsored. The products are cruelty-free, vegan, paraben, phthalate, and talc-free, and they're happily Leaping Bunny certified. Okay, now I've just grabbed number 3 brush and number 3 color. I was actually really surprised and really happy with this eyeshadow. It's very buildable and very blendable. Not to mention that I did not wear an eye primer and I wore this all day. It's crease-free and it didn't fade. And my lids are crepey and they wiggle around when I apply shadow. So I really appreciated the way the formula felt really buttery and smooth. And literally the only thing I could hope for is that they would make those handles 2 inches longer. I could have used this a long time ago.